Hello, thank you for watching the video today. We installed Docker in previous video, and in this video we will find out how to create the image and container of the Docker and deploy it to the DockerHub. We will initialize the program using the npm init-y command. After that, we will make a simple backend using the Express framework. So this is how the program was initialized. We will make a file called index.js and then make an Express backend here. We will write a simple application with the sentence web application in Docker when we receive a request using the Express framework. After deploying a backend server on 8080 port, the console displays the sentence server is running when it is running normally. After that, we're gonna make a Docker file. In the Docker file, we have to write down what image we want to create and what setting we need for our program. We must first start with from base image. In this case, we can change as node 16 Alpine. In the sentence, 16 means a version of the Node.js and Alpine is a minimum unit of Linux version. The word of work dir means moving to the app folder. It is a Linux command with the same concept as a cd. Next, we will copy the project files. In this case, it's recommended that we copy in order of the files with the fewest changes because it's configured as a layered system. So it is recommended that we copy the files that have changes most frequently and recently at the latest. So among the files, we copy the package.json first and also the package log.json files and then the index.js file that contains the source code that changes more often than the packages.json. Using the command, we can build a Docker's image and container. Using the Docker images command, we can check our image's name and repository's name. And then we can run it at the port number 8080 as well. After all of the access, we can check the localhost 8080 that shows the sentence of the web application in Docker. Using the Docker's log ID, we can check that our application is running at the localhost 8080. If you are unfamiliar with the terminal, and then we can use the Docker desktop, and we can also see the Docker's container through the Docker desktop easily. So we build up our Docker container and images. So we will push our Docker image and container to the DockerHub using the Docker repository. So firstly, we will create a repository, and then using the command, so we will push our image and Docker container to our repository of the DockerHub. Finally, we push our Docker container using Docker. So thank you for watching today's video.